Hey, let me show you how you can fix connection issue with your SONY ULT Field 1 speaker and for example Android device, but it also will works for the PC connection or iPhone connection. So first of all, I will highly recommend you to turn off Bluetooth on your smartphone. Now, just grab your speaker and make two buttons combination. Click on the Bluetooth button and the volume down button together until your speaker turns off. Now release both buttons and click on the power button once. If it doesn't work, just repeat. There we go. And as you can see right now, we already got connection. So we can also turn on the Bluetooth and manually find the speaker on the list. Try to connect. As you can see now, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.